Genpact, generating impact. Regulators mandate banks to establish a strong model risk management culture for independent assessment and management of model risk. Banks are increasingly turning to predictive analytics as a key component of their risk management strategies. Typical mid-tier banks may have as many as 3,000 active models. This requires a centralized inventory to maintain all active and phased-out models, establishing a standardized process for model performance tracking, and achieving better operating synergy among departments. A bank's model risk management process includes collection of validation data and relevant model-related documentations, qualitative and quantitative model validation, model risk reporting, and model inventory. These activities are interconnected and cyclical, requiring a strong governance framework to integrate them in an efficient and transparent way, besides constructing a standardized operating process for each one of them. With over 15 years of experience in generating impact for our clients through model risk management, Genpact has designed and developed an integrated model risk management platform, Monitor. Monitor enables organizations to establish best-in-class model risk management framework through standardized validation techniques, model inventory across risk types, transparent model risk assessment and reporting, and integration of different risk management activities through a predefined and customizable workflow. Let us take you through a short example of Monitor workflow. Monitor accommodates validation of business as usual and regulatory models. The model inventory provides an aggregate model performance view for all models set up in Monitor through red, amber, green, or RAG assessment status. The model development team specifies model details, validation frequency, choose model type, and respective key performance indicators. Uploads model documents, reports, and implementation code. Uploads data for validation. Monitor does data audit. Allows analysts to map the roles of variable. Click Submit to set up the model. Once the model is set up, the model validation lead gets an email alert to assign the validation analyst to that particular model. Validation lead can check resource utilization in Resource Load, see the models they are working on, and accordingly choose a validation analyst. Monitor workflow puts the model in Model Review for validation to track model validation progress through different stages. The RAG status helps the entire validation group to track deadlines achieved and deadlines missed. Validation Analyst ensures minimum requirements are met for moving forward to do full-fledged qualitative and quantitative validations. Qualitative model validation involves model conceptual soundness check through a checklist of over 400 sections, in line with regulatory guidelines, reviewing model design, use tests, governance, documentations. Model validation team can seek additional information or clarification from model developer, which gets saved in the discussion log. Monitor has a comprehensive repository of inbuilt KPIs which do not require complicated programs, thereby reducing errors. These KPIs include a variety of model and factor level tests, which are compliant with regulatory guidelines such as SR 11.7 and BCBS WP 14. The RAG status against each validation KPI demonstrates model performance and model risk summary. Once model validation is complete, the final summary and recommendation is written and shared with the model validation leader for sign-off. Monitor also offers a reporting layer, which generates detailed model information reports and validation tracker for senior management review. Monitor is a unique platform to revolutionize the way organizations assess and manage model risk and provide multiple operating benefits covering centralized model inventory, integrated workflow, full-fledged and standardized validation procedure, as well as model risk reporting. Genpact, generating risk management impact.